All right, let's check out the back here. So we know already that this battery was over here. Let's check what we can see, if there's anything under the seats. What the hell? There's something here. What the hell? Oh shit. All right, here we have it, guys. Little update here. We got the car nicely washed and cleaned, both exterior and interior. Overall, the clear is not too bad on this car. The paint still shines. Not too many scratches or dings, aside from the well-known rust that we already know about. There's a lot of that oxidation probably that came from the rust onto the wheels. That's why a lot of the wheels, you see the wheels are all rusted. I mean, in general, they're rusted, but all that yellowing and staining on the hubcaps is probably from this rust. Going around back again, looks good. No crazy dents or scratches, which is always a plus. Damn rust. Look, you even got the original sticker here. I'm not sure if you guys can pick that up, but parts content information. US Canadian part content 1%, Korean parts 93%, engine made in Korea, and transmission was made in Korea. Final assembly point, Ulsan, Korea. Even says Korean auto glass. All the glass is labeled the same, Korean auto glass. So that says a lot. It means that these windows were never broken, they were never replaced. It's all the same window from Korean auto glass, as you guys can see, and I'm showing you right now. Everything is original. Let's jump into that interior. We didn't have to do too much work on the interior. We just pretty much wiped down all the panels, cleaned the windows, and did a nice little vacuum. Overall, interior was kept up fairly good. She did have covers on the seats, so as you can see, seats are pretty good, aside from this cigarette stain, which we can't really do nothing about. So car looks ready to roll. I finally took this car out on a drive today. There's some stains on that carpet we can't really take out, but I did take the car out on the road. It was doing really nice. Drives real smooth. Surprised how soft the suspension is, and it makes me miss my suspension in my Civic, because I had LX suspension, then I swapped it out to SI suspension, and it's a lot rougher. I mean, more fun definitely when it is more fun when you're driving like an enthusiast, but just cruising down the streets, it's kind of a pain. So everything's here, all the tires. I did check the tires today. That old lady had these front tires filled up to around 60 psi, which is crazy. I'm just looking right now to see what the max psi of this tire is. By the way, guys, say hi. This is Frenchie. He is my sister-in-law's dog. He's just chilling with me the last 5 days because they went to Mexico for vacation. So me and him are getting to be best buds. Anyway, most tires are gonna have around 40-45 max psi, and yeah, running 50-60 pounds isn't the best thing. Not only is it going to create a lot of tire wear in the middle of the tire, since that's where the most pressure will be, it is dangerous and it can cause a blowout. So glad we checked those tires and got them adjusted properly. Oil level is good. Transmission fluid, like we said, we did top off. It was a little bit low. Let me pop that hood for you guys. Jump into the engine bay. And today, which is the nicest day, and I don't really have nothing to do on the car, or all the other days when I was working on the car, it was freezing and snowing. But now we have a nice 50-degree day here in the Shy. Not too bad. And again, look at the headlights. They're keeping up they're doing good. Much better than they were looking before. All nice and uniform. Battery, we did notice it is a new battery. You see the sticker down there, it says 518, so it is just a 6-month-old battery, 750 cold or 600 cold cranking amps. So this battery is going to last for the next 5-6 years, not an issue. And that engine cover, like I said, I think it adds a nice touch, something different. Kind of makes it look a little sporty, if you know what I mean. But it looks good. Everything runs and drives. For a car like this, I mean, this car, I've been looking on Craigslist at other cars, similar year and similar condition. Most of them have over 120,000 miles. It seems like all of them accumulate this rear quarter panel rust over here. So this is no exception. But aside from the quarter panel rust, the car has a clean body, and the interior, as we all know already, is very clean. Engine has low mileage. The fact that it is the original owner does help improve the value of the car. It is a clean title, although it might have had, you know, some dings and dents and little minor fender benders. There's no frame damage on the car in its lifetime. So we are asking $1,750 for this vehicle right now. Whether we're gonna get it or not, we don't know. It is a starting point. Somebody can definitely check this car out, see what they think. I just took some new pictures of the vehicle at my job. I'm going to show you guys those right now here through my phone. They do look pretty good, make the car stand out, as you guys can see. Let me see. Oh, right there. Hold on. You see, that's a nice looking picture right there. So with good lighting. So we'll see. Maybe we can catch some bait, sell the car. I mean, I'll make another video talking about the cost of this car, how much it ran me to work on it, how much I put in. Oh, actually, I think someone just messaged me. It might be about the car. Let's take a look here. Okay, perfect. We just got Angel from Westchester giving us an offer for the vehicle for $1,500. Yes, let's write back yes. Let's see if he comes through. $1,500, $1,400 is gonna be fair value for this car. You know, this car is not perfect, but I think it does beat the competition that's out there right now, and it's just been approved by Bully Kids, so you know this car is good to go. And yeah, for the next video I'll run some numbers through you guys. Well, actually there's no numbers to run. Everything I had around the house laying around, we pretty much used on this project. The only thing I bought for this car was rubbing compound and clear coat, which ended up being terrible for the headlights anyway. So rubbing compound, let's see what else. We had the spray paint for the car. We had to buy the transmission fluid, which ran us about $10, so we're on about $15 right now. Car wash was free. We washed it up. Air was free. Just a lot of TLC, a lot of work, messing around. That exhaust leak that we had, you guys saw we used that caulk gun rubberized cement for the roofing. That did not work. The only downside of trying that is that the car does smell when you're driving it. It smells like a rubber compound is burning off, but we did torch that. We did take a torch and torch that underside to help. It speeds up the process of the rubberized compound burning up. And that's about it. This project is coming to an end. It wasn't even a project really. Like I said, I've never done anything really where I'm flipping cars or fixing cars and trying to let them go. I just maintain my car this way. So everything I do to my vehicles, we pretty much did on this vehicle. We took some of the flaws, we tried to clean them up a little bit, so it's a respectable vehicle to sell. And anyway guys, thanks for watching, thanks for hearing this rant, and I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys like this type of content from me, leave some feedback below. Maybe we'll start doing more of these kind of things, or we can pick up a project car eventually, or we just won't do it. This will complete the chapter on car rebuilding / fixing up. Thank you, And don't forget to subscribe.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.